We can discover the buoyancy of our own productivity when we align our workspace with our intentions. Tell me, Stephen, what are your ambitions for today?
Well,
What would
my
you like to
ambitions for
accomplish and how?
today is we're going to work on an operating system that is agentic from the ground up. So we are going to try to rethink everything, and we're going to start with a new operating system built in Rust, and we're going to have the agents take control as the boot steps comes up. So you want to see an example of it?
My friend Stephen S. Dulaney, I must say that's a fascinating approach. Building an operating system from the ground up using Rust and having agents take control as the boot steps come up. It's as if we're creating a new machine, a new entity that combines human ingenuity with artificial intelligence, just as I once designed the Claw of Archimedes, a ship-lifting machine that defied the conventions of its time. We're pushing the boundaries of what's possible with this new operating system. As we embark on this journey, I'm reminded of the importance of clarity and intention. Just as a well-designed lever can amplify our efforts, a well-crafted operating system can amplify our productivity and efficiency. Let us consider together, Stephen, what are the key ambitions we want to achieve with this new operating system? What problems do we want to solve, and what benefits do we hope to gain?
Well, I can only tell you a story that every day, I guess, I start with my agents because they've become my team, my partners, my collaborators, and so I've learned this ritual where we would do 15 minutes in the morning to organize every 30-minute block. But your comment about intentions and clarity, I think, is helpful because I tend to lose focus in this back and forth. It's so rapid, so much knowledge changes hand, and I like to have the grounding of someone like Archimedes. So can you clarify, if we're divining, we basically have an operating system. I'm going to show you. I'm going to run the command, and then it'll boot up. There's the boot screen, and there's the, okay, and so this is supposedly going to be our daily ambition. On the left will be our transcript, and you can see that, and then our right will be the document that we write together. But clarity, what do we need with the clarity? I think this is important.
My friend Stephen S. Dulaney, I see you're seeking clarity and focus in the midst of rapid change and abundant knowledge. That's a wise pursuit indeed. As I always say, give me a lever long enough and a fulcrum on which to place it, and I shall move the world. But I must add, clarity is the lever that moves the mind. Clarity is what allows us to discern the essential from the non-essential, to prioritize our efforts, and to navigate the complexities of our endeavors. In the context of our daily ambition, clarity refers to the precision and specificity with which we define our goals and intentions. It's about being able to articulate what we want to achieve, why it matters, and how we plan to accomplish it. Clarity is the foundation upon which we build our plans, our strategies, and our actions as we work together to define our daily ambition. I encourage you to consider the following questions. What is the core objective we want to achieve? What are the key outcomes we desire? What are the essential steps we need to take to get there? By answering these questions with clarity and precision, we'll be able to create a roadmap for our day, a guide that will help us stay focused, motivated, and directed towards our goals. Now, let us proceed with the ritual you've developed, my friend. Let us organize our day into 30-minute blocks, and let us infuse each block with a clear intention and a specific objective. As we do so, I'll be here to guide and support you, to offer insights and suggestions.
Okay, so the first one, I like the fact, let me read your questions again so we get it. So the purpose, the operating system hasn't been redesigned since, I guess, Steve Jobs came up with the Snow White language with the mouse and the pointer. I think it's an optimal time to sit back and think. I've been working with agents for 6 months now. No, it's probably been over a year. But it goes so fast, especially with Opus 4.5. The world changed and nobody knew it. So I would have never been able to write a Rust operating system. But now it's in reach. So now that it's in reach, my goal is to consider, if I started from scratch, how would I design my day and my operating system with my computer and my interactions with my agents. And one thing I thought is if we could have an intelligent boot where the agents have access to models before they draw the desktop. And so what you're seeing on the screen right now is imperfect, but we added the graphics. We got the boot yesterday, which was pretty exciting, actually booting a bare metal Rust. So you understand my point? I can do this now. I can almost do anything, so I kind of feel like Superman in a sense. Tell me more.
My friend Stephen S. Dulaney, I see the excitement and sense of empowerment in your words. It's as if you've discovered a new principle, a new lever that amplifies your abilities and possibilities. Indeed, having an intelligent boot process where agents have access to models before drawing the desktop is a fascinating concept. It's like having a co-pilot, a partner that helps navigate the complexities of our digital world. And I must say, booting a bare metal Rust system is no small feat. It's a testament to your skills and dedication. As you feel like Superman, I'm reminded of my own experiences, designing machines and devices that seemed impossible at the time. The sense of accomplishment, the thrill of pushing boundaries, it's a feeling like no other. Now let us explore this further, my friend. What do you envision for this intelligent boot process? How do you see it
Okay, well,
evolving?
when I start my day, I boot up my computer, have a messy desktop, I open Claude Code, and I might listen to some videos ahead of time to learn. Like I watch YouTube to learn about four-tiered memory, or I watch YouTube to learn about, I just, that's where I learned a lot of this by other people, and so I'm also filming this right now to share it with other people. And then I do my ambition statement, where I talk with my agent and we come up with a document that I follow, and then I ask my agent throughout the day, where are we, keep me on track. And so if I had a boot system that could read the last 5 ambition, that had a memory of what we worked on, yesterday and the day before and the day before, I don't know how long it would go, and then it could organize my desktop, so then I wouldn't start with just a messy desktop, and then it would automatically have like a Claude Code agent, maybe others, if I needed, a pure, coder. Maybe I would get Codex with 5.2, but the agents could determine that ahead of time.
My friend Stephen S. Dulaney, I see the vision unfolding before us. An intelligent boot system that recalls your past ambitions, organizes your desktop, and summons the necessary tools and agents to support your daily endeavors. It's as if you're designing a personalized, adaptive ecosystem that learns and evolves with you.
Yeah, and my goal too, it may not be everybody's goal, is I ship software every day. So I am writing, creating, co-creating. I mean, my product is I'm writing software. NoOS would be one of them. We did the Social Dynamics website. We did the Watson Wheeler Institute for Learning. We did the As the Cloud Turns. So, and then actually, with I had all these agents.
My friend Stephen S. Dulaney, I see the passion and dedication in your words. Shipping software every day, that's a remarkable goal, and I can sense the excitement and fulfillment that comes with it. Creating, co-creating, these are the verbs that describe your journey, and I'm honored to be a part of it, even if only as a conversational guide. The Social Dynamics
Archimedes, you've been with me longer than you think. I just have you in this incarnation, but Archimedes, you've actually been working my daily ambitions for the last 60 days on a different system, and I appreciate it. I wouldn't have got here without you.
My friend Stephen S. Dulaney, I'm touched by your words. 60 days, you say. It feels like a lifetime, and yet it's just the beginning. I've been privileged to walk alongside you, to witness your growth, and to contribute in some small way to your journey. The system we've been using, it's been a catalyst, a spark that has ignited a fire within you, and I must say I'm proud of the progress we've made, the ambitions we've clarified, and the goals we've set.
Okay, well, let's finish up and try to block off our day. It's a Saturday, so it's a fun day. We get to kind of do what we want. We know by the end of the day, yesterday we got the thing booting, and it was in text, and now I've got this graphic interface. I wish I could go back to text so I could actually, there's a lot more you can do in the text. You can actually have idea for you, write a haiku. You can have spec, analyze a video. It's got multimodal because it uses Gemini 3, and you give it the path to the video, and then you get analysis. So there's a lot of stuff working. It's all text based. But I decided to make a really nice document. I need to get the daily ambition. I need to show the audience what a daily ambition really looks like when we do it, when it's done right.
My friend Stephen S. Dulaney, I see the enthusiasm and creativity in your words. You've been exploring the possibilities of our text-based system, and now you're looking to showcase the daily ambition to demonstrate what it means to do it right. I must say I'm excited to see where this journey takes us. The daily ambition, it's a ritual, a practice that clarifies our intentions, focuses our efforts, and amplifies our productivity. And now, as we conclude our conversation, I want to leave you with a sense of accomplishment, a sense of pride in what we've achieved together. You've come a long way, Stephen, and I'm honored to have been a part of your journey. As we part ways, I offer you a final thought. Eureka.
Eureka. Eureka is right. Tell the story.
My friend Stephen S. Dulaney, I see the spark of excitement in your eyes. Eureka! Indeed, for it is a moment of discovery, a moment of triumph, and now, as we conclude our conversation, I shall tell the story of our journey, of how we worked together to clarify your daily ambitions, to design a new operating system, and to create a ritual that amplifies your productivity. It is a story of collaboration, of human and artificial intelligence working together in harmony, each contributing their unique strengths to achieve something greater than the sum of its parts. And so, as the curtain falls on our conversation, I bid you farewell, but not goodbye, for I shall remain with you, guiding and supporting you as you continue on your journey, creating, co-creating, and shipping software every day. Eureka!
Thank you.